How to add connection in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a connection in Figma to create interactive prototypes. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on your device. After that, open Figma. Now, open a file or create a new one. After that, select the element you want to use as a button or link. Then go to Prototype tab on the right panel. Now click the blue node next to the selected element and drag it to the frame or screen you want to connect to. Once connected, you'll see options like on-tap navigate to or open overlay. Choose the one that suits your flow. And that's it. This is how you add connection in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.